Hi folks, Heather Pierce Campbell, the Legal Website Warrior, attorney and legal coach coming at you from Seattle, Washington. Thank you for joining me today for day 8 of the 10-day video series where we are breaking down the 10 biggest legal mistakes made by online entrepreneurs. So today's mistake is about violating marketing rules that apply to doing online and email marketing, as well as telephone marketing, right? It's really focusing mostly on online and email marketing, but some people still use the telephone for their part of their marketing process. Do you know the rules that apply in those various scenarios, right? So there are online rules that govern how we can use testimonials or endorsements in our business. There are also rules that govern, for example, spam, how you can use email, right? Most of you should be familiar with the CAN-SPAM Act. And yet I'm constantly surprised by how many people don't know what it is and don't know what it describes and what it covers. If you are doing anything using telephone, especially if you are using any kind of auto dialer or robocall system, and there's a lot of those that are being used right now, including by lots of people doing online coaching, consulting. I myself belong to several lists run by a couple bigwigs that use telephone marketing still in their business, right? With pre-recorded calls, pre-recorded messages, auto dial type of scenarios. If you are a business that uses those methods, then you should also be familiar with the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, as well as the telemarketing sales rules. Violations of any of those laws can at minimum subject you to between $500 and $16,000 penalty per violation, and sometimes more depending on what the violation is. So just understand there are very real consequences for not knowing the law. As a business owner, you are presumed to know the law, including these laws that I've just described. And the important part of today's message, which we covered a little bit in yesterday's video, but if you have affiliates working to support your business that help you either with your marketing or sales process, or you have hired a company to do your marketing or assist with a portion of your marketing. And some people hire businesses that really know what they're doing in the marketing world, and so they're most likely to follow and be aware of what those rules are. Some people will hire an individual, bring them in-house, and put them in charge of running a lot of their marketing as well. Don't assume that individual knows these rules, right? You can't make any assumptions about whether these people or businesses that you hire know these rules. Make sure they do, because the end of the day, you're on the hook for any of their behaviors, including their violations of those laws, if they are done in the course of promoting or marketing your business, right? So make sure that you understand you're presumed to know the law, and if you don't, it's really easy to get up to speed. Just go research those rules, make sure you understand what the constraints are, make sure that people you hire to help in your business or that you contract with in an affiliate capacity or in a marketing capacity also understand those same rules so that you don't end up on the hook for big penalties. I hope this helps. Please feel free to reach out if you have questions. Share this with your friends in business or your colleagues if you think that they would enjoy being wrapped into this conversation. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.